Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is one of the special days for the Eclipse. She is getting new wheels, and I'm gonna do a reveal in this video. I haven't opened this box yet. I know what I ordered though. So I'm not gonna tell you what it is right now. I'm gonna put you on the stand and I'm gonna open it. That way you guys can check it out and see it for yourself. Of course, this is I know a lot of you will comment that I could have done better. My budget is limited. Also, if some of you don't like this type of wheels, if it's not your taste and all that, you know, no, that all of us are the same. So this is what I like, and this is what I'm going to be running on this carbon fiber Eclipse. And so yeah, I mean, hope you enjoy it, and I will do at the end of the video a little bit of fitment to see if they actually clear my Brembos. I know I already know they will not, but I got a fix for that as well. So anyway, I'm gonna put you right now on the stand, and let's do this. All right, so here it is. I'm sorry for the camera angle. This is not the best I could have done, but oh well. So let's open it. Alright. Oh, there's a box. Those are the first glimpse. I went with Motegi Racing. They were a decent brand and also decent price, as well as the quality is not that bad. So let's open it. Really good packaged. That don't bother me no more. This is your guides that you get. Aftermarket wheels, wheel installation and all that. So you got that. Then you have installation instructions, which is, I guess, one more piece. That's weird. Alright, then you have this cover on top. It's one piece of paper. And I know all of you are like, hurry up, but yeah, this is the first wheels that this Eclipse ever got for me. So I hope you guys like it, because I like them. And there they are. Black Motegi, code is MR131. It's a 17-inch wheel. It's 40 offset as well. It's an 8-inch wide. So I went with the black because they have a white ones, bronze, and the black. So I went with the black ones kind of closer to my setup, closer to the carbon color. Right off the bat, I knew these wheels will not clear the Brembos. This is a pretty much a copy of a what's called Grem lights, and a lot of Advan makes these as well, almost same style. Enke's have them. A lot of good brands have these, and these were the pretty much the most affordable one that I could have get, and a lot of money have been spent on the carbon fiber and getting this thing going. I still didn't even run it for first time because I'm waiting for a few more things and she's ready to fire up. I did run it for a couple of seconds, and yeah, I had to turn it off because no sensors were connected and idle was all high. But back to the wheels. Reason why these will not clear the Brembos is because they will touch the Brembos. So Brembos are kind of popping out too much. How much they're popping, I mean how much they're not clearing is about, I would say, 4 to 5 millimeters. So if you want to get spacers that big, 4 to 5 millimeters, you can actually get these to clear. So in my case, I have an inch spacers, 1 inch or 25 millimeters. I bought those a long time ago, and I'm gonna be running those. So I'm gonna be running them in front and the back. I'm pretty sure the back will clear, because those are the evil Brembos, the rear ones, but the front will not, because this is your Cadillac Brembos conversion with Cobra rotors, 13 inches rotors. So right now I'm gonna put them on so you guys can check it out. And like I said, also I forgot to mention, these are extremely light wheels. I can do it with one hand, and I think they're 14 or 17 pounds. I'm not positive, but anyway, let me put this baby on. Like that. All right. So the clearance, as you can see, there is probably 3/4 of an inch clearance in between. The sidewall is not that great, but it clears it. That's good. I like that. So like I said, it will clear the knuckle as well. That's a good thing. We will, however, see once we mount the tires on if that's gonna give us enough clearance right here, if we have to maybe install a little bit bigger spacers to pop the wheel a little bit out. So with this being said, now when we have all the wheel and everything, and when we put the what's it called, the fenders on, I really hope they're not gonna pop too much, because I'm hoping I can do it just a little bit of I don't mind that. Or if it's too much, then I'm gonna be shopping for the fender flares. But anyway, super excited for these. I really like the look. I know it's not for everybody, but I love these. I mean, carbon fiber, when this is gonna, because this needs to be washed and all that, I think it's gonna be good. I like it a lot. The other side, of course, same thing. same thing. Oh, they even included a little Allen wrench for your center cap. I guess every wheel gets it. So right here, this is the 17 by 8 plus 40. Hub is 72.6. All right, so I know this has been a long video, guys. Sorry about that. Just wanted to show the new wheels. I really like them. Really happy about it. Later, if I ever decide to, I can actually change this color, and I can probably paint them something else, powder coat and all that. But for now, these are good as they are right now. So anyway, I will probably do a few more videos mounting them on and all that stuff. We'll still decide which kind of spacers I'm gonna go for. Really thank you guys for watching, supporting the channel as well. Thanks to all subscribers, new subscribers as well. Hopefully this little thing will be I'm sorry, on the road pretty soon, and yeah, can't wait to drive it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Of course, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.